Hello, and welcome to the X Hub. Are you ready to deep dive into the unknown mysteries of the world? On today's first episode, we're going to talk about artificial intelligence. Yes, you got it right. One of the most addressed enigmas of our times. What is AI, and how much can it control us? How far will AI go on infiltrating into our lives, and what will be the consequences? This is a question that has recently been on everyone's mind. Artificial intelligence is already omnipresent in our lives, counting from Amazon's product suggestions up to Google's autocomplete. However, the problem is that AI just isn't good enough yet. Despite this, AI is definitely improving. The possibilities for its future range from a utopian world in which friendly butlers cater to our every need, to a dystopian world in which robots assert their independence and wreak havoc on humanity. There are many questions surrounding AI's future, such as whether it will ever achieve true general intelligence, steal all of our jobs, become conscious, and eventually possess free will. On the opposite side, some people are wondering if it will simply fall short and just be remembered as another failed human attempt to improve our lives. The AIs of the future are more likely to portray intelligent systems rather than humanoid robots. Most likely, they will be used by corporations and nation-states for their intelligent tasks. These systems will become increasingly self-modeling and be more aware of what they are doing, allowing humans to live inside of them rather than next to them. However, the question still stands. Can AI be consciously aware? And if so, how will this impact society for better or for worse? What will it mean to live with it? And how will this affect our relationship with technology? The environment in which these AIs will interact will be very different from ours, so mapping their experiences to human experiences will be challenging. If we govern AI well, we could potentially face substantial progress in various areas, like medicine, transportation, reducing global poverty, as well as even addressing one of the biggest dilemmas of our modern days: climate change. You may be wondering, why is AI still considered a threat? Well, if we don't govern it well, AI could have negative consequences. In the same way as social media is making us feel more lonely, self-driving cars are causing congestion, or autonomous weapons are causing military instability. Therefore, the first layer of addressing the unintended consequences of AI's advances is crucial, followed by the challenge of governing AI's future direction. As the technology continues to develop and become more integrated into our lives, there are concerns about its potential repercussions. One of the biggest worries is that AI could become too powerful and ultimately threaten the existence of humanity. The fear is not necessarily unfounded, as many experts have warned about the dangers of uncontrolled AI development. One of the challenges of responsible AI development is ensuring that it is not biased or discriminatory. AI systems are only as unbiased as the data they are trained on, and if this data reflects existing biases and inequalities, then the resulting AI system will also perpetuate these biases. Therefore, it is crucial that AI developers work to identify and eliminate biases in the data used to train AI systems. It is believed that we can prevent a catastrophic scenario by carefully regulating AI and ensuring that it is developed with ethical considerations in mind. So, you may think AI wouldn't be that dangerous if we keep it under control, right? With that being said, as AI continues to advance, it becomes increasingly difficult to predict its trajectory and potential impact. Some speculate that AI may become so advanced that it surpasses human intelligence, leading to a world where humans are no longer the dominant species. Others fear that AI could become a tool for those in power to control and manipulate society. Another important issue to consider is the impact that AI will have on the jobs market. As AI and automation become more widespread, many workers may find themselves out of work. This could potentially lead to significant social and economic disruption, particularly for those who rely on low-skilled jobs. On the other hand, experts argue that AI will create new job opportunities, leading to increased productivity and economic growth. So, the question is, will AI be a positive or negative net for the society as a whole? In conclusion, the potential of AI is both exciting and daunting. Will we be able to control AI before it controls us? As we move forward, it is crucial that we develop and deploy AI responsibly in order to ensure that its benefits are realized and its negative consequences are minimized. By working together to address the challenges of responsible AI development, we can build a future in which AI enhances rather than detracts from our lives. Thank you for watching the X Hub. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to hit the subscribe button and stay tuned to our channel. Are you thirsty for more? The best is yet to come.